Hi, this is Lois, No Cruise Control. Here is vlog 3 on Regal Princess. Dinner in Sabatini's. Oh, definitely something I will do again. Enjoy. So we're off out to Sabatini's for dinner. Looking forward to it. Like Italian food. It's not one of my favourite cuisines, but I've heard only good things about Sabatini's. We have a table booked. I booked it on the Ocean Medallion app because originally we were only going to be eating in the Crown Grill of a select dining venue. So Sabatini's is, $25 per person, select dining, and we are using our Carnival PLC onboard shareholder benefit onboard credit to eat there. So I'm gonna vlog about my meal. Like I say, I've only heard good things, so looking forward to it. Princess have really cool lift. 14. I believe I cut myself off. Really cool lift quotes on the mat within the lift. So we found ourselves getting the lift probably more than we usually would, just to see all these quotes. They're really cool. I found the decor inside Sabatini's are just beautiful. I mean, I'm a massive Art Deco nut, and it was just beautiful, really beautiful. And I love these sofas at the table. They're really cute. In Sabatini's, we've just done our order. We had some lovely bread and olive oil and balsamic vinegar. He looks so miserable. Sorry, I'm talking to Dave. He's sat opposite me and he just looks so miserable. And then we have just ordered, we just had as well, I haven't got the menu anymore, like bread, meat and sauce. I've never been at Sabatini's before. I didn't know what to order. So I went with a suggestion of the waiter, because clearly he's an expert. So yeah, we'll see what comes, hey? Delicious. So part of his recommendation was to have risotto as like a side dish, but I wasn't convinced it was going to be a side dish, but and then have a main course. So we thought we'd go with his recommendation. He's the expert. The lamb skewers were delicious. I really recommend you try them. Really nice. As you can hear, I'm sure my husband did not like the radish. But yeah, as you can see, we thoroughly enjoyed the lamb skewers. The mushroom risotto was pretty incredible too. Delicious. Oh, we've got mushroom risotto. It smells delicious. It's down here. Yum, yum. So you can look at the menu by scanning this QR code and it will come up on your phone. If you have Princess Plus, you'll have the internet, so that will work. You are also given a paper menu. And you can also look at the menu on your Ocean Medallion app too. And a wide variety of absolutely delicious desserts. We had a dessert where you had 4 mini desserts of every dessert on the menu. I'm not a big dessert fan, but my God, it was good. They were good desserts. These look delicious. And incredible cocktails too. Mint.
Chocolate mint martini.
Chocolate mint martinis. Oh wow, they look nice. We shall definitely be returning to Sabatini's again for a meal when we're next on a princess ship. Definitely worth the money. Service was incredible. Food was epic. Brilliant. Definitely will return. Advise you to go.